What's good, YouTube? Hope all is well with you. The Valiant Sense coming at you once again with another fragrance review. This is part 2 of this new display series here. Say hello, boys. And where was I? Yes, part 2. Part 2 of this mini series here with my new display of the English Laundry fragrances plus one, which I've already reviewed. And part 2, we are going with Armour. That is this one right here. Armour. Of course, shout out to all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe as we continue with this fragrance journey. As you can see, Armour, you can see I put a little dent in this one as well. Love the bottle, love the translucent, or is it transparent? I'm not sure of the right term. Bottle here where you can see through. The next two are not see-through, so it's weird that they put two that you can see through and the other two are solid where you cannot see through and see the juice level. But I like the color of this. I love the fading from the dark down to the light in this one. But definitely going to spray it on here again. So with this one, yeah, this one throws me off because what I get from this one is not what it's showing. So citrus, main accords are citrus, fresh, spicy, and let me get that right there. Citrus, fresh, spicy, aromatic, rose, musky, earthy, woody, mossy, and patchouli. I'm getting more of an aquatic feel, an aquatic citrus feel from this than I am all of those other things. We'll go with the note breakdown. The note breakdown, as I smell again, is lemon zest, bergamot, geranium, rose, and lavender, musk, oak moss, and patchouli. So I'm just gonna assume those 3, 3, and 3 for top, middle, and dry down. Sorry about that. I definitely get the lemon zest. I get the bergamot. I get a little bit of geranium. I don't get any rose, and I don't get any lavender in this one. Especially with having smelled in the last video, of course, smelling a throne and the lavender in that one. I definitely don't get lavender in this one in Armour. And then I do get a little musk on the dry down, and I get oak moss. I do not get patchouli. I do not get patchouli. Overall, this is more of like a slightly fresh, spicy, aquatic fragrance. That's what I get mostly with that. Even with the notes that I said that I smell, this seems more like a slightly citrus, peppery aquatic, if you will. So not at all what I was assuming. I get hints of everything else, but most of the time when I'm smelling this, it's very light. And I'm thinking like I'm always thinking there, even though it's not in there, it's not listed, I'm thinking there are water notes in this, watery notes. But of course that's not listed. So go figure with that, but I enjoy it. Like I said, this is a good change up from Throne, if you will. I definitely enjoy this one as well. Yeah, these fragrances are not gonna knock your socks off. They're not gonna blow anybody away. But during the week, while I'm at work, running errands, each one of these will definitely work in terms of this display series that I have here with this set from the House of English Laundry. So once again, this is Armour. Until next time, believe until you stop breathing. This is the Valiant Sense. I appreciate all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe as we continue on the fragrance journey. We'll see you in the next video.